1, 2, 3, hey! Raise up, get yourself together. Drive that funky soul. Get up.
Taas ang kamay ng mga Pangasinan.
Together, drive your funky soul. They're doing it down in that song. Drive that funky
Dali,
soul.
yung mga hindi Pangasinan, taas
Doing
ang
it by
kamay.
the beat. They're driving that funky soul. New York, together, drive your funky soul. Get on up, get yourself together, drive that funky soul. Everybody, somebody, that funky soul. Everybody, somebody, that funky soul. Get up!
Basang alam ko, SP Madrid ay made, gawa at talagang talento ng Pangasinense.
Hands up!
SP Madrid was planted in Pangasinan. Kaya mayroon tayong we have a major office in Pangasinan. From the roots of Pangasinan, nag-branch out ngayon ng SP Madrid to other places in the Philippines.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe.
Bao po ako
Be the good
kasi
all the love
pinakita ninyo ang pagmamahal sa trabaho ninyo. It was not about 15 years with SP Madrid. It is about their self-discipline themselves.
I was thinking about the band. I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van. In a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanted my name and a star. Now look at where we at, still growing up. Still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I've become. Couldn't wait to get older. Couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young. Those good old days.
I wish somebody
Good
would have
evening,
told
my
me,
top
babe,
collectors.
that someday these would be the good old days.
Claro,
And all these reckless days
Kapis,
Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Never thought we'd get old. Maybe we're still young. Maybe you always look back and think it was better
kasi
than
malaki na talaga ang SP Madrid. Talagang SP Madrid has really grown by leaps and bounds.
I guess I'm proud, and I ain't worried about the wrinkles around my smile. I got some scars, I've been around. I felt some pain, I've seen some things, but I'm here now. Those good old days.
No matter how you practice that, kung talagang wala yan sa mga puso ninyo, mahirap maging loyal in any form.
Till it goes, till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it goes, till it's gone. I wish somebody would have told me, babe. Someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget.
Can we give a round of applause to our loyalty awardees who will take this stage to say, kami po yung pilar ng SP Madrid.
Yeah, I feel so good. I love it. Yeah, I feel so good. I love it. My feet move, I'm on the dance floor. I wanna twist my hips and
Anyway, I'm so happy and everybody has that spirit of mentality. And keep the energy